Wait, do you really know polite expressions? Let's find out. Yes, right now. Someone holds the door open for you. You say, for holding the door. Thank you. Someone thanks you for a small favor. You reply, it was no trouble at all. You're welcome. You need to get past someone in a crowded place. You say, may I pass? Excuse me. You accidentally step on someone's foot. You quickly say, I'm sorry. A friend says they will help you move something. You respond, that would be great. I appreciate it. Someone sneezes near you. You politely say, bless you. A waiter asks if you need anything else. You politely say, I'm fine. No, thank you. You are meeting someone for the first time. You say, nice to meet you. A friend thanks you for helping them. You say, anytime. No problem. A person thanks you for opening the door. You respond, it's my pleasure. You need someone to repeat what they said. You politely ask, pardon. A waiter brings your food and you want to thank him. You say, thanks a lot. Someone thanks you for your help. You respond, it was nothing. Don't mention it. A colleague thanks you for a favor. You reply, you're welcome. You want someone to take their time. You say, there's no rush. Take your time. At a cafe, the barista offers you sugar. You say, just a little. Yes, please. You are offering someone to go ahead before you. You say, after you. A person bumps into you and apologizes. You say, it's fine. That's okay. You ask someone to pass the salt. You say, pass the salt. Please. You are introduced to someone at a party. You say, pleased to meet you. You accidentally interrupt someone. You quickly say, sorry. You accidentally bump into someone while walking. You quickly say, excuse me. A coworker brings you coffee. You respond, thanks so much. You give someone a gift and they thank you. You reply, it's my pleasure. You offer someone a seat. You say, have a seat. Please. Someone lets you go ahead in line. You say, thank you. A guest thanks you for dinner. You reply, anytime. Your friend thanks you for helping. You say, I was happy to help. No worries. You are at a restaurant and about to eat. Your friend tells you, enjoy your meal. You need someone to wait while you finish something. They say, take your time. You didn't heard an important detail in a conversation and politely ask, could you repeat that? Pardon me. Someone thanks you for your help. You respond, don't mention it. Someone apologizes for being late. You say, it's not a big deal. That's okay. Someone lets you go first. They say, after you. You accidentally interrupt someone while they are speaking. You quickly say, pardon me. A stranger sneezes near you. You say, bless you. You want someone to keep you informed. You say, if anything changes. Let me know. A waiter asks if you'd like dessert. You say, I'm full. No, thank you. Your friend thanks you for your kindness. You respond, no problem. Someone offers you a drink. You say, just water. Yes, please. Some friends tells you how much they appreciate you. You say, I appreciate it. You say goodbye to some friends and thank them for visiting. They reply, anytime. You need someone to clarify something. You politely ask, pardon. Someone apologizes for arriving late. You say, it happens. No worries. You want to be polite at a meal. You say, enjoy your meal. You need someone to update you on a project. You say, when you're ready. Let me know. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you also like this right here. See you there.